Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ST Brother. Today we are going to teach you how you can delete your Instagram ID permanently. So let's start. At first open your Instagram ID and click on three dots. After that click on settings. Here you will find see more in account center. So click here. Now scroll down and click on personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. And again click here. Here you will find two options. So click on second option to delete your account permanently. Click continue. And now type your password. Now click on continue. And again click on delete account. Hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Bye. See you soon.